Let's say you cut a tendon, you cut a muscle, you have an injury to your hand, and you go into the hospital, and then they have to do reconstructive surgery. And then after the surgery, after you've sort of been fixed up, you need therapy for that hand so that it can learn how to regain its movement and strength and capacity. One of the things that they'll often have you do is work with clay. And the assignment is to make X number of ashtrays every week. And the first ones don't turn out very well. And so you start working really hard because you know that the doctor is going to come and evaluate your ashtrays. So you work on all of these ashtrays, you work really, really hard, and you finally get it right, and you create this lovely ashtray. And the doctor comes at the end of the therapy and doesn't even look at the ashtrays, looks at your hands. Because the point of making all the ashtrays was to build the capacity and strength in the hands. Don't make the mistake of thinking that the evaluation will happen in the things happening outside of you. It is about who you're becoming as you're going through all of the ashtrays that you're making in life. And at the end of the day, the ashtrays don't matter. They get thrown away. They were just given to you as something to practice with as you develop your internal capacities and resources, and as you help yourself heal.